Hi, I'm Aniket and today we are here to test some viral makeup hacks.
As if I already knew other kinds of makeup, I need the hacks to do those makeup.
And you all know me, I love makeup.
I use makeup very infrequently.
One viral makeup hack that I have seen,
Where people put like poster colors like
red, blue, yellow and white, and then you kind of blend it.
and then make their own foundation shade.
And I have been obsessed with that makeup hack and I've been wanting to try it.
An amazing makeup hack for me would be one product for everything.
Oh my god, what the heck? We're late. Let's get into the video. Basically, you overline your lips and then you fill it in with the lipstick and you basically get bigger, poutier, juicier, fuller, thicker lips.
I think this might work. This looks like a easy enough hack.
It worked on her, it would definitely work.
But I've always been intrigued as to how I would look with bigger lips. The kind that Kylie has.
I have not tried this before. I don't have any lipsticks at home or anything, so this is new territory for me.
It's time for me to try this hack out. This very beautiful pencil.
Pursing my lips so I can't talk.
Looks like I had a bad kiss.
This does look like I've drawn a mooch.
So now going in with the lipstick.
Looks really bad.
I have put the lip liner, now I need to put the lipstick. But so far this is not looking promising. First of all, the lip liner and the lipstick are two very different shades.
I have mad respect for all the makeup creators right now because I cannot do this.
The bottom lip is not colored at all. Because, I mean, fair enough, I was doing that to them. I don't think this works.
Oh my god. I don't know what to feel about this.
My lips definitely look bigger, but
My eyes are watering.
More things I have to do after the hack also. ये कैसा hack है?
who needs fillers, yeah? Just hacked it right there.
I definitely think my lips look fuller, but I don't like how it looks on me.
I would like to rate this makeup hack 10 out of 10 because my lips definitely look bigger. I will not be doing this again.
Since it did not work for me, I'll still give it a 5 on 10.
I'm going to give this an 8 on 10. So in this video, she's using liquid blush and applying it on her cheeks, her nose and her chin. And then she is using a contour stick and a concealer. Oh, and then they apply the foundation. Oh.
I'll just put a little bit and then try to blend it because otherwise I don't want to end up looking like Holy Day 3.
First, I'm going to put blush on my face.
Ooh, precision brush.
ये पूरे मुंह पे लगाना जरूरी है क्या?
Some here. Okay, this is good.
It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. I think something is wrong,
Oh my god, that's so much.
but I'll give this a complete shot.
Guys, it looks like I have a really bad cold.
This is looking like some kind of rash.
मैंने kitchen के knife से काटा था because I didn't have a sharpener.
And now we blend.
Wow, I'm loving this, but
I think it's a little over the top. I would have liked just a slight pink tinge. This is taking it a little bit too far.
oh my god, yes! Look at this. So much fabulousness in one frame. I just cannot.
Honestly, I like the way my face is glowing right now, and I feel like that's because you don't put your blush after your foundation, so you don't really mattify it.
I have to say, this does give me a naturalish kind of blush around here.
I feel like this would take you the same amount of time if you go do your makeup how you would usually.
I will say this is an 8.
I'm gonna give this hack a 7 on 10.
Overall, not a bad hack. Like, this is a 9 on 10 hack. Okay, so she's putting white, yellow, red and blue colors on her face and just blending it all in, and it's working. I'm worried, but let's see how this goes.
These look like something I would want to eat right now.
I don't think this would work because I think it will be imbalanced and I'll end up looking like Avatar.
So it's kind of an experiment.
This already looks like art to me and I really love this look, but
I'm gonna blend one section and see if oh my god, looks like someone punched my nose.
Okay, something is happening. It's looking like art.
I am amazed at this. This is chemistry right here.
I feel like in certain spots I got it right.
It looks so red. Oh my god, like I've sunburnt. Like sunburnt plus holy plus rash. It's all three.
I am so impressed with this. Like, where is the blue? Where is the yellow? Where is the red?
This process was farthest away from easy. This was such a difficult process, and for what?
This is really time consuming. It took me at least 10 minutes to blend the whole thing out.
I will never use this hack again.
I would rate this hack an 8 out of 10.
I give this hack a -3.
I'm gonna give it a 6 on 10. Not my cup of tea. Okay, so you take eyeshadows from the dark shade to the light shade and you just draw lines across your eyelid and then you just blend it. Looks easy and promising.
I have never done anything on my eyes.
I don't get it. Are those lines made from eyeshadow only?
I have seen this method in like painting where people just like put different colors of like varying shades and then they just melt it together and then it becomes like a gradient. I think that's the same method that they're doing here.
Ooh, this is like watercolors. Bachpan vibes are back.
Because I'm wearing a pink and orange tie-dye sweatshirt, I think I'll go for an eyeshadow that matches it. I just want to be extra.
My eyes are so wrinkly.
My fear with eyeshadow is always like I shouldn't look like I've gotten beaten up, you know?
Wow, professional. I feel like a professional right now. Okay, next shade. This is the next shade. I have never done this before, okay?
I think the more I'm doing this, the more I'm feeling that this hack is a scam.
The last time I looked this beautiful was the day I was born.
Okay, this is not bad.
So I've drawn the line. I know they're not very precise, but what the heck?
Quite a struggle because I don't know if I'm supposed to open my eyes or shut my eyes.
The combination looks quite nice.
I do think that if I was to take different shades and blend them out and then add another shade and blend it out, it would be less time consuming and like it would give me a much better finish.
I just think that this was meant to be. This is a learning process. I think I can totally do this if I do a little bit more practice, and by little bit I mean years.
I think this is a good hack. I did overblend it and it's like all outside here now, but I don't think it's a bad hack.
If I had to rate this hack, I would say it's a 7 on 10.
I think I'll give this hack an 8 on 10.
I think this is a good 8. My favorite hack, I think, was the
facelift hack because it's so quick and easy.
The one that blew my mind was the lipstick hack. So if you guys see my lips looking bigger in the next video, you know what I did.
Let us know in the comment section down below which of these hacks was your favorite.
If you guys want us to try more hacks, let us know in the comments below which hack we should try.
Also, if you're watching this video without subscribing to our channel, what the heck?
If I were to put eyeshadow, how would I put it? I would just like do it with my fingers. You know, like this soft. And also make this face while I do it.
Oh, her lips just look fuller and bigger. But I don't know how it will work out because I have big lips already. I mean, I do have like full lips.
Okay, Kylie Jenner.
Natural hai.
Anyway, let's see. Oh, I look gorgeous even without it. I'm just like, wow.
Okay, cut. Let's see it.